Hi, my name is Maisie. Hi, my name is Chloe. And about 2 weeks ago, we had started working on a garden. And we mixed compost together, and we covered it all up. We pulled the weeds, and now we're going to build a greenhouse over it. We ordered this on Amazon, and we got the instructions, and it came in this box with all the tubes and everything, and it looks pretty easy. So there's this big cover, and it has vents, and this is the frame. It's made out of metal, and you're supposed to be able to snap it together. So we're going to try it out. So far so good. It only took us about 5 minutes to build the whole first section. One thing you need to know is we have to put a 2A and a 2 together. It's hard to see.
Hi, I'm Richard, and I'm going to be helping out with this too.
Okay, so you put that in like that. There we go. Click it. And then you can put it in like this.
You need to make sure it's straight.
Here, lift it up a little.
Oh, it's really helpful that you're tall. Like,
You don't want to twist it?
Okay.
Good, you got it. Okay, that's the fourth one. Now let's do a 3 and a 3A. A 3 and a 3A. Oh, this is a 3A. Okay, Richard, here you go.
okay, I'll hold that.
3, and then what else? And then we need A1, 2 A1s.
2 A1s. So that's the A1s. We'll just click.
This one, and I take the other one.
Okay.
And then you gotta click it on like this. See, because it's the last one.
Wait, hold on. So like this.
No, wait.
that.
It's pointing like that.
Ah, nice.
And we need 2 2As.
2As. Okay.
Use
There's
a 2A.
one 2A.
Sorry, Chloe. And just like swing it above her head like, there you go, Chloe. Okay, I got it. No, Chloe, that's a 2. Join them with the A. It's sort of like the 2 twos. They're sort of like getting married, and then the A to the 2A. The A is the one that's like the minister that's marrying them. Okay, so.
Okay, hold it like that. We'll keep it straight like that. Should be good. So should it be?
Almost.
Okay, got it through. Now we need to keep it straight. There we go.
Got it.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay.
Now I think I got it.
Push it down. There we go.
This is the first one that we did. We put them all together with ones.
And it's
we
standing
just
up
got to do
straight.
one more.
And are there any tips that you guys have for how to get it to go together? Because sometimes it gets a little bit sticky.
You have to more than one person. And you have to wiggle it.
And make sure you always have adult supervision when you do
Yep. And be careful not to pinch yourself.
Got it? Here. Wait. This side. There we go. We just
Good.
need to keep it straight. The top one. Now I'll help.
I got it, Richard. Don't worry.
Okay. Maisie, do you need a little help?
Yes, please. Here, use this one.
Okay. So I'll get the box. Here.
See how I'm twisting it? It helps. It works.
There we go.
Okay.
So you need to get it to the other side. Push it. Okay, there we go. We got it.
Okay,
I'll
now.
get the other side over here for you.
And up. That.
Wait, hold on.
At least you got it.
Chloe.
Put your hand under
not
and
really
walking. No, around this way, like this. We got the frame done. It took about like 15 to 20 minutes. And now we have to put on the netting to keep it nice and warm.
It's going to be fun.
Got the clippers to clip the netting. So what we're doing is we are taking this and spreading it out so we can put it on the dome. The frame, I mean. Okay, we're done now. It was hard work, and it took about 10 to 15 minutes to get it adjusted, and we're finally done with it.
We pulled this plastic. It's actually plastic. It's not mesh, but it's plastic with fibers over it, so it looks like mesh. But we pulled it over. We mostly were doing adjusting to it. But yeah, we're done.
I had my sweater on seat, and when we put it over, then it was, I just took my sweater off because it was way hotter than it was earlier. But then I have to put my jacket back on because it's cold outside.
And one tip for getting it on, then zipper up the doors when you're doing it, and stay inside, so you can measure it from inside. Basically, see how it's going to work out when you get it.
Yeah. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Hi. Hi.
We're done. Done.
How big is it?
Pretty big. It's pretty big, and we thought it was going to be smaller than this. I did not know that it was going to be this big. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.